It is very important to be well organized with AI. When you're first learning AI, you are kind of just giving it prompts and it's giving you feedback, and then you're giving it more prompts. But eventually you bring the project to a certain level. And when you get to this level, you need a structure to be able to know what you have done. This means by starting a structure level on your PC. So you got to train yourself to work in a structured manner, because all the research you do, all the updates you do, all the new information you feed to the AI is really important. So on your own PC, you have to first make your own file structure. The file structure which I have sent to you here, it is just a demo. You can use it and continue from it, but make your own file structure, make your own docs, similar to the one which I am giving to you right now. You don't need to use the exact same file structure which I have used, okay? What does this file structure include? It includes folders for planning, website content, design, development, documentation, testing, videos, marketing, backups, and archives. This is really important, guys. Make your own documents. I also included a README file, naming guides, security instructions, and a prompt you can paste into the AI assistant to create a custom structure for your own project. I not only gave you a demo, but I also gave you the prompt for you to create your own file structure depending on your own project. Look, guys, everybody nowadays is talking about AI. Everybody is making websites with AI. Everybody is prompting AI to do something, but they are just showing you the tip of the iceberg. And I believe that most of the people don't even know the proper structure to follow. I am not trying to offend anybody while I say this, but the important prospect or the important goal for using AI is to be able to do the documentation right. This is really important. You can't give an AI a prompt, it will give you a result. You can give it another prompt, it will give you another result. But when using AI, you also have to be clever. This is really important because AI has a memory. Like, it's got a memory. When you type into it and you talk with it and you give it some tests, you will realize that your AI starts to slow down, and then you need to close it up, and then you need to, again, open it and then feed it all the correct information to continue your project from where you left off. That is why this documentation process is really important, not for the AI, but for you. This is really important for you to continue your project, because the AI can work 24 hours a day, but you cannot. So once you get all your documents correctly done, so let's say today I worked on AI from 8 in the morning till, let's say, 3 in the afternoon. Then I had to go somewhere. You need to program yourself to, when you get up and you start the project, you give the AI the correct commands and it opens your project, you continue your workflow. Then when you are finishing your project, that's when you need to start making the backups, and that's when you need to start making the prompts for the next time you open your project, so that the AI can continue your project from there. But when you structure your files in this manner, this is not a problem, because you will upload your files and you will tell the AI a prompt. You will ask it to give you a prompt to remember the task which it needed, and it will give you a prompt. And then you got to save these prompts day by day to continue your project. Nobody is telling this part of the AI, because everybody is coding something with AI. They are just showing you how to make a banner, how to make this, how to make that. With AI, you can make professional systems like big companies can, from your own bedroom, from your own office, from your own lifestyle. So this is the power of AI. The power of AI is really important, guys. The important part is you. You got to be clever. You got to design the workflow, and you got to be able to predict future outcomes for the AI, and then your project will be successful. Please like, subscribe, and share my video. See you on the next one. Take care.